Now we're going to incorporate the minor scale into a walking bass line. And it's really pretty much the exact same thing as incorporating the Mixolydian scale into a walking bass line. We're going to focus on the root, and we're going to work really hard to identify the chord by the roots and the fifths, but then put those walking scale notes all around it to kind of make it sound good. So the tune we're going to use is, or the changes that we're going to use are from a tune called Mr. PC. It's in C minor, and you'll be able to see the chord changes on this video as we go. It uses a C minor scale, or a C minor chord, then an F minor chord, and eventually it gets to an A flat 7 chord, which is a major scale for 4 beats, and then a G7 chord, which is also a major scale for 4 beats, and then it goes back to C minor. But here's what I'm going to do. When I get to that A flat and G chord, rather than mess around with notes that don't match up with the minor scale I'm playing, I'm only going to use the root, the 4th, and the 5th degree. You'll remember, those are the same in major and in minor scales, and you'll see how that works really, really nicely. For each chord change, I'm going to anchor my index finger or my first finger on the root. So let's show you how this will work. Starts out with a C minor scale for 4 bars. So find our C root, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 2 bars. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're ready to go to our next chord, which is F minor. Happens to be the 4 chord, and this will be for 2 measures or 8 beats. So we'll just kind of go up about half the scale and come back a little bit, and then it goes back to C minor for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, 1 measure of A flat right here, then 1 measure of G, and then back to the C minor. So again, you'll notice on the A flat, in fact, I ended up using root 5th, root 5th. That's even better. And on the G, root 5th, and then C minor scale. So let's do it with the changes for you. Here we go again. C minor. F minor. C minor. So that's incorporating the minor scale into a walking pattern over changes that you might be using. Go ahead and try it out in this key, C minor, and then try it out in all kinds of different keys. That walking minor scale is going to come in real handy in a lot of ways. Good luck.